Now that your AI can chase people, it needs a way to catch people and make the game reset. Good for you, I have just the way to do that using Unreal's intuitive blueprint system. By the time you are done with this tutorial, you'll have enemies that can finally pose a challenge. First, we need to make the UI for the game over screen. The first step is to make a new folder in the content browser and call it UI. Then, in the UI folder, you want to make a new widget interface by right-clicking and then selecting User Interface, then Widget Blueprint. Next, in the pop-up, just select User Widget and name it End Screen UI and open it. The first thing you want to do is look for a canvas panel and drag it out into the designer. Next, drag out a text block, then in the content tag, change it to say game over. Then under font, change the size to 128 and the justification to center. Next, change the anchors to center and the size to 1000x200y with the position -500x, -200y. Then, add another text block and add the text press any key to restart. Then, make the font 48 with a centered justification. Next, set the anchors to center and the size to 1000x, 100y with a position of -500x, 0y. Next, we can go to the event graph and remove the pre-made nodes. Then, right-click the event graph and search for and select the any key event. Then, from it, drag out an execute console command node. Then type in open plus the name of your level. Then for a specific player, just drag out a get owning player node. Finally, save, compile, and close it. Now we can go over the code that will catch the player. This is built on our code from last time, so I would recommend taking the time to look at my playlist on AI and Unreal if you have not already. I have an iCard above and it is linked in the description below. We will start by going to the BP third-person character blueprint found in third person, then blueprint. Next, open it. Then, in the event graph, right-click and search for Add Custom Event and name it Lose. Then, from it, drag out a Create Widget node, set to the End Screen UI widget. Next, drag out an Add to Viewport node, followed by a Disable Movement node. Then save and compile. Next, we can go to the BP_NPC_navmesh blueprint found in our navigation system folder and open it. First, drag out a reference to the player followed variable. Then, from it, drag out and search for lose. Then connect it to the onSuccess pin of our AI Move 2 node from the chase system. Then change the input to go to the target actor pin instead of the destination pin. Then we need to disconnect the blank pin from the reset pin of the do once node and instead use the on fail pin. Finally, save and compile. You now have a full AI chasing and caching system perfect for any game. In the next episode, I will introduce the idea of behavior trees so we can optimize our code. If you want to see that, I would recommend subscribing and ringing the bell for weekly content. If you want to support my work, feel free to buy me a coffee on Patreon to get exclusive perks. Above, you should see a playlist for more AI tutorials in UE5. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them below. Have a good day, and bye for now.